Hi, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication here. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Apple Watch, any version you have, 3, 4, 5, 6, or Apple Watch Ultra. You can set up to your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other version. Process is identical or same, doesn't matter which version. So you have to go to your apps of watch. You can type here watch directly. Let's see, here we go. You see here no watch I have, so what I have to do, I have to hit start pairing, set up for myself. Here we go, hit this button and it's searching. Let's see if it can detect this watch or not. If you don't get anyway, what you have to do, you have to do a hard factory reset. Go to here, the setting option of your watch, click this button, this one. You'll go inside the setting, you'll see here we go, setting option, click this one. In setting, you have to come to this option, general, go inside general. Here software update, many things is right, and you see here at the bottom reset, click this button, erase all content and setting, hit this button. You see erase everything, click this button, it will erase your watch. So you can do the same way your Apple Watch Ultra or any version of Apple Watch. So my watch is ready to set up. Now we can go to Apple Watch here and we can click button, start pairing, set up for myself. The same way you can do Apple Watch Ultra or any other version of Apple Watch. Process will be the same, identical. To scan, you see here this one, set up Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch at the bottom is one button. I click set up Apple Watch left or right. Now I have to do setup, so I put on left hand, you can put at right as well. I hit continue button. Setting languages, so all the things from your phone it will go there. Language, all the most important apps, other notification you can see from WhatsApp or other apps as well. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. Hit agree to term and condition. Share with Apple, don't share any information. Create a password, add a long password. I don't want to put any password. If you want, continue, don't use passwords. Use Siri here, okay button, continue. Enable route tracking, disable route tracking, it's not necessary. Heart rate, synchronizing, get to know your watch. See here the system is going on, get to know your watch. You can put here, you can see Apple, welcome to Apple Watch, personalize your watch, health, other information, all is right. And this process is still continue, so we have to wait a little bit more. After waiting couple of minutes, finally we arrive to this screen, says hello. I hit done button here. You can see all the watch faces here. Activity is now on my watch faces. So the watch is set up, is done. If I go inside, you see all the thing is done, guys, ready. So watch is ready to use. So this is the way you can set up your Apple Watch any version, Apple Watch Ultra to your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.